Who are you? I'm Thomas. I run this branch line. Help me? Huh, I can go faster than you. I can. You're on. Come along, come along. Wait and see, wait and see. Goodbye, birdie. Ha 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 ha. Quickly, please. Come along, come along. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh dear, oh dear. We will do it, we will do it. Oh no, there's a station up ahead. Oh dear, we lost. Hurrah, we're off! Hurrah, we're off! I done it! I done it! Woohoo! Oh, come along, we're rather late. Oh, come along, we're rather late. How can I run my train properly if Henry's always late? He doesn't understand that the Fat Controller relies on me. Where is that green engine? Where have you been, Lazy Wheels? Rubbish! You're too fat. You need exercise. Come on, girls. I'm not gonna be late again. Bother that signal. What's the matter? Pip, pip, pip. Where is the guard? Oh dear, I did leave him behind. I'm very sorry, Mr. Guard. Come on, we can't be late.